In this video, you are going to see how to check your MacBook's disk write and read speeds with the help of a free application available right in the App Store. The name of this app is Blackmagic Disk Speed Test. After installing it, open it. This is how the interface will look. Here, you need to select the drive if you have multiple drives attached to your Mac. If not, you can run it directly by clicking this speed test button to start checking the read and write speeds. Do note that it won't stop until you click the same button again. It keeps checking the read and write speeds in a loop. It also shows a complete list of whether this speed is suitable for various workloads. If it's showing an X mark, that means you need to create proxy files to use that footage smoothly on your Mac. That's it, guys. This is how you can check the read and write speeds of your Mac for free. Don't forget to like and share to this channel for more useful videos like this followed by reviews.